creatives, welcome to my online seems what online class. Do you have a function and you want to put something on your head? This is it lovely? I want to show you now in this class, very much in this class now. All right, then let's get started. With the materials you'll be needing, you need your hairband, your UHU. I have ready-made flowers. You know, you can get these flowers in the market. And, well, your black wardens, actually, because this came like this. You know, you buy this like this in the shops. So what you need to do now is get something. This is going to be anything. And just make sure you do something like cover it so that once you see that it's able to cover this place, then you are free to go. So what I'm going to do now is to get your biro and mark a circle, and cut. All right, so that's, then you get your hairband. You fold into two equal parts, and you fold again into another part, and you cut. You have a cut. So it gives you something like this. All right. So then what you now need to do is place this like this. Can you see how I'm placing? Inside, place like this, then the other side, place it and move, so it will be like this. Now what you need to do first is don't let it get too much down here. So what you do is you get your UHU gum, apply. Another thing you can do is your thumb, just use it to hold it and apply gum. UHU takes a bit of time for it to get dry actually. So you apply it, then you apply your gum here too. You give it some time to dry. So while it's drying, I'm going to apply to other ones here too. And apply to the third one. Then apply gum to this ones too. Apply gum. To all this. So while you're doing that, the first one, place your gum and look at the other side to see that everything is not showing. Do you understand? Then this one, you give a space. The second one, take it to the other side and see that everything, the white especially, is not showing. All right. Then the third one, which you can move a bit, it depends on, and apply. Do you have a special outing and you want to, so just buy your flower wherever you want to get it actually, and press it down very well. And you see, very neat. And you have, please, while you're If you would like to have something like this, I would like you to leave your comments, give me a like, and follow me, and you will get more of these tips, so that once you have any of your outing, you can always have something to do without spending much. I hope you like it. And if you like, you can put stones, studs, anything you like. Feathers, you can put feathers, and you're good to go. Thank you.